In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a Zoom meeting. Whether you're hosting a meeting for personal or professional purposes, there might come a time when you'll need to remove a participant for any number of reasons. Perhaps they're disrupting the session, or maybe they joined by mistake. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. First, let's set the stage. Imagine you're in the middle of a lively Zoom meeting. You've set up the meeting, everyone has joined, and the conversation is flowing. But suddenly, you notice a participant who shouldn't be there or isn't abiding by the expected etiquette of the meeting. And that's when you realize it's time to take action. In the digital age, maintaining the integrity and professionalism of your meeting is essential. So let's walk through how to handle such situations effectively. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the participants icon, located at the bottom of your Zoom interface. This icon looks like two small human figures, and clicking on it will open up a panel on the right side of your screen. This participants panel is your control center, giving you an overview of who is currently part of your meeting. Here, you'll see a list of all active participants, allowing you to make decisions about your meeting management with just a few clicks. Once the panel is open and you've spotted the person you need to remove, move your cursor over to their name. As you hover over their name, a small blue box with 3 dots inside will appear. This box is known as the More button, and it holds a variety of options for managing participants. Clicking on these 3 dots will present a drop-down menu, offering different actions you can take regarding this participant. From this drop-down menu, you'll find the option to remove the participant. When you click on Remove, Zoom will immediately eject them from your ongoing meeting. It's as simple as that. This action will effectively stop any disruptions they might have been causing and help you regain control over your meeting's flow. Keep in mind that once a participant has been removed, they won't be able to rejoin unless you explicitly allow them to, making it an effective way to manage unwanted interruptions. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Ensure beforehand that your Zoom meeting settings are adjusted to your preferences. This can include enabling the waiting room feature to screen participants before they join, or setting up co-hosts to help manage the meeting.